the LCD disassembly jig to disassemble the Galaxy S5. So when you take out the smartphone, you use RG513 to make a space along the brim of the smartphone, because you have the space to pour the methyl alcohol to reduce the stickiness of the double-sided tape. So now the user wore the protective glove, which is anti-ESD, and then you will pour the methyl alcohol. Too strong alcohol is not recommended, so you can check the suitable methyl alcohol to reduce stickiness, because alcohol is very volatile. When you pour it, it will soon vaporize. And when you open the upper frame of the LCD disassembly jig and you adjust the knob, and you cover the upper frame and you let the smartphone like this upward, and then you suction knob to adjust like this. Now the user adjusts the precision bar carefully, and when you turn the precision bar, the lower part will enlarge and there will be increase of distance of the upper frame from the lower frame. And as the upper frame go upward, the soaked up glass and LCD will be disassembled. But you have to very careful to turn the precision bar, because some mobile phone used very sticky tape. So at this time you must use some methyl alcohol. Now you look at the upper LCD and glass is disassembled by the LCD disassembly jig, because we have disassembled this smartphone before. This time we can easily disassemble the glass and the LCD.